Welcome to Invoice4Box, a high-level overview for recognizing and storing your invoices in the Box environment. First, a scan will be performed to acquire an image. This will then be uploaded to the server. Next, the document will be sent to FlexiCapture for recognition. Keywords will be utilized to locate header information such as invoice date, invoice number, vendor name, business unit, and invoice total. If a document is not recognized, a document definition or alternate layout may need to be created. The document data is then verified and then finally exported. Index QC is an optional queue that allows the user to confirm the data before export. It can also query external data sources for validation or to gather additional information. The documents are then exported to a box folder with metadata and assigned a document name. Here is an example invoice along with the fields that we are interested in extracting. The business unit and the vendor name will be utilized to recognize the invoice. Other fields such as invoice date, invoice number, and invoice total will be extracted as well. Let's do some scanning. Here we have a Fujitsu ScanSnap N1800 network scanner. This scanner allows the user to walk up and log in to the device and get access to the batch types. After login, the available modules for the scanner will be displayed. The VDC Scan module allows the user to log in, initialize the scanner, and obtain a list of batch types for which they have permissions. In this case, we will be doing a scan for invoices. The pages in the ADF will automatically be scanned. The user will then have the ability to review the pages. Fit to width, fit to height, and zooming capabilities are available on the scanner. The user also has the ability to rotate pages to a specific orientation or navigate through the batch. Insert, rescan, and delete options are available for the pages. Once the review is complete, Save is clicked to upload the document. Once the scan upload is complete, a batch activity report can be run to determine the status of a batch. In this case, the batch is in the FlexiCapture queue awaiting processing. By clicking on the batch name, the document level information will also be displayed. Clicking refresh will update the status of the document. In this case, FlexiCapture is now processing the document. After recognition, data verification is performed to review low confidence characters. If the value is correct, the user simply accepts the value. Field level verification can also be performed by an operator. By selecting an invoice, any problem fields will be highlighted in red. In this case, the total was not found. By simply selecting the invoice total from the image, the value can be populated and used for training purposes. Once recognition is complete, a document can be sent to the Index QC queue for final review. By selecting the Index QC adapter from the home page, a list of batches in the queue will be displayed. Each document can then be reviewed for accuracy. If the metadata is correct, the index button is clicked to make the document eligible for export. The batch activity report reflects this change. Once a document has been exported, the Box Export Activity Report can be run to get the details. The export date, as well as the direct link to the document inbox, is available. The document can then be reviewed. Let's recap the box export. First, the folder path was built using a root folder, a business unit for permissions purposes, as well as the vendor name. The document name was created using the vendor name, the invoice number, and the invoice total. The VDC attribute information is used not only for the box folder path and document name, but it is also injected into the box metadata for each document. This allows each field to be eligible for searching within the full text search. Thank you for listening to Invoice Processing for Box.